called this press conference today to highlight three very special issues concerning persons with disabilities. The first issue that we want is the sacking of the Honorable Minister of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, Mr. Subhash Pallesai, for insulting persons with disabilities. For this, we have got three specific instances. One, as you know, 3 months back, in end of first week of July, we had submitted a 7-point demand to the government long pending issues of persons with disabilities. Some of the 7 demands that we had submitted were the first one that we had submitted was increase of the Dynamic Social Security Scheme. The second one that we had submitted was a state policy for persons with disability. Third one we had submitted was making a restarting the vocational center of the Sanjay School. In spite of 3 months getting over, the Honorable Minister did not bother to resolve any of our grievances. Neither did he bother to call us for a dialogue and say, okay, we are not able to solve 7 of your demands, we will solve 2 or 3 of your demands before the Purple Fest and solve the rest after the Purple Fest. But that also he did not do, which shows that he has no regard for persons with disabilities. He does not care for the persons with disabilities, neither he cares for the issues of persons with disabilities. The second thing also that we would like to highlight is, as you have seen in the events that are happening during the Purple Fest, pre-events of the Purple Fest, which has just been started, there are a lot of publicity is being given to the ministers and the politicians, and there is no coverage at all for the Purple Ambassadors. So, 21 Purple Ambassadors have been appointed for the Purple Fest. Yet, if you see all the publicity material that is being done, there is no picture of the ambassadors, Purple Ambassadors, at these on these hoardings or on these banners, or even on the stage for the inauguration of the various events. So this also is total disregard for persons with disability. And the third thing that we would like to highlight is that about this issue is that the department under the minister has been hijacking programs of the persons with disability which are being organized for the Purple Fest. As you know, the Purple Walk was just started 2 days back. But for this Purple Walk also, initially the department said that we are not involved with the Purple Walk. But then, the organizers of the Purple Walk, they contacted local organizations, including us, for the Purple Walk. And at the last moment, the State Disability Commissioner, the Department of Empowerment, they came in and said that they will organize, they will do everything for the Purple Walk. We have no problem with them doing the organization for the Purple Walk or taking over the Purple Walk. But you should have regard for persons with disabilities and organizations working with in Goa for persons with disabilities, and they should have been respected, they should have been made part of the Purple Walk as was decided by the organizers. If you did not want to get involved in any event, why did you take over the event after all the arrangements or all the preparations were done? So because of these three examples that we have given, we are demanding the immediate sacking of the Honorable Minister, Mr. Subhash Pallesai, as Minister for Empowerment of Persons with Disability. The second issue that we would like to highlight today is that the government is celebrating about the reduction in the GST. They are celebrating GST in a very big GST Utsav in a very big way. But even after reducing GST on about 350 items, the government did not bother to reduce GST on aids and appliances for persons with disability. Aids and appliances like crutches, like wheelchairs, or white canes or hearing aids is not a luxury for persons with disability, but it is a necessity for persons with disability. It is the hands, eyes, and legs of the persons with disability. So the government should have considered our long pending demand, and they should have reduced the GST also on persons with for the aids and appliances for persons with disabilities, which at present is at 5 to 10%. The third point that we would like to highlight is that there are no accessible beaches. There are no accessible beaches as yet in Goa for the persons with disabilities. Under the Accessible India campaign, which was started 4 years back, 4 beaches were selected for to be made accessible in Goa. That is the Miramar Beach, Kandoli, Kalangut, and one in South Goa. But even after 4 years, the beaches are not yet made accessible for persons with disabilities. Recently also, you must have seen the ramp that has been coming up on the Miramar Beach. So this is totally waste of money because the government is not interested. They are making beaches accessible only for Purple Fest. They are not making beaches accessible on a permanent basis for persons with disabilities in Goa. So we want beaches to be made permanently accessible for persons with disability in Goa. Also recently, the Disability Commission has made a statement that there are 150 accessible places in Goa. We would like to know the list of these 150 places and whether these 150 places are permanently accessible or temporarily accessible only for the Purple Fest.
Last time you had said that if your demands are not fulfilled, then you would protest at the venues.
Yes.
You are going ahead with that?
Yes, we are going ahead with the protest. Still, we'll just see the inauguration. Still 4-5 days are left. So most probably we will have a protest on the 11th of October, which is a Saturday. Okay, depending on what is the development in the next 2 or 3 days. That is 9th and 10th with the inauguration. If at the inauguration of the Purple Fest we resolve some of our demands, or if we remove the Minister of Empowerment, then we will cancel our protest. Otherwise, it is already planned on 11th morning at Azad Maidan.
On Azad Maidan you will do the protest, not on the venue?
No.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.